Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel again. Alright, so for today's video, I have a humongous box of stuff from Halara, $350 worth of stuff. So I'm going to be doing a unboxing and a try on haul. I got some cute staple pieces that I'm pretty pumped for. I'll have everything linked down below. I'll have everything linked down below so that you can shop if you want. I've done a couple videos with Halara and I always love their stuff. It's super affordable. Put that down for a second. Super affordable and super cute, and I feel like they have lots of activewear where it's like really good sizing. There's a bunch of different colors and different styles, and the quality of the stuff is usually really good. I have this one skirt that I have from them that I'm obsessed with, and I wear it all the time and I love it. And you can use my discount code, which will be up on the screen here, and that's pretty much it. They are one of my favorite brands, especially for like golfing outfits, like tennis outfits. They have really cute dresses and stuff like that, and they have some jeans in here that I'm excited to try. They've been hit or miss for me, but I feel like I'm gonna like these ones. But yeah, let's get unboxing. But wait, before we get unboxing, tap that subscribe button, give me a follow on Instagram at JanelleFaithHill, and that's it. That's all I got. All right, let's do this. All right, so first item, boom. Let's just do this. That one's a big one. Oh my gosh. All right, let's start with this one. Ooh, this feels really soft. Oh, a little cardigan. So cute. Smells good. I got this in like a tan color, so it's like a super long cardigan with a little hood in the back. I'll try everything on. I'm just gonna unbox everything one by one. Try on our little cardigan. I can see myself wearing this a lot, especially at the gym when I'm working with clients, and I'm like, want to be a little bit cute, but I don't want to be cold. I love how long it is. Ooh. It's like down to my knees, which is really nice. Super cute. I really like this color. It's like a coffee color, brown. And then I love that it has like a little hood. So if I'm like really cold, I can just bundle up, you know. So cute. And it has just like a ribbed pattern texture to it. And it's not itchy. It's not like, you know, sometimes when you wear like a sweater, it can feel itchy. Not itchy at all. Just super cute. I love it. This is so cute. Thank you, Halara. You rock. Okay, that's the first item. Second item, let's go for this one right here. What do we got? I'm trying to remember what I ordered. Ooh, comfy, cute pants. These are kind of like corduroy-ish. Cute. And I got lots of stuff in the tall option just because I find sometimes their flare stuff, my legs are a little bit too long. So I got everything in tall because I like that look of like when your pants are not waiting for a flood, you know? So these are super cute. I might wear these today. Love. Oh, right. Oh my gosh. I got a little bodysuit. This is like a shapewear bodysuit. So it's tiny. It kind of looks deceiving. I'm like, how am I gonna fit that? But oh my god, it's kind of like that viral bodysuit that's been like, I don't know, it's all over like Instagram for me and TikTok. So we'll try that one on. See if I can get myself in that. Okay, first outfit. So I put on the bodysuit, obviously, and then I put on the first pair of pants. So here are these kind of like corduroy looking ones. I'll put everything down here like as the description of what everything is. These are super comfortable. They kind of fit a little bit loose, but it's nice. It fits my waist really nicely. This is like a elastic band, and it's pretty flattering actually. It's kind of like athletic, but like sweatpants. So it's really good. And these fit me. It's tough to see because if I lift my leg up, it rolls up, but these are like the perfect length for me. They're not too short. They kind of like have a little bit of fabric at the ends, which I really like. So, like, I really like these. I feel like they can be dressed up or dressed down. I got these in like the cream color. I think it's just like super cute. They're like business casual, but with a little bit of a twist. I love it. And then let's discuss our friend, this bodysuit. I'm pretty much just gonna wear this for all of the outfits because it's the only top I got. This thing is sucking me in. Holy crap. Look at that. Like, this thing is tight, but in like the best way. It fits so nice around here. Gives you like a little bit of a lift. It has 3 little buttons to like take it off as a bodysuit. It's just like a very nice plain bodysuit. I think I'm gonna be wearing this a lot, and I feel like it's just really flattering because it just kind of like sucks you in. And there are some adjustable straps too, which is really nice. I don't know if this comes in just like one size. I probably got the size small, obviously. But so cute. I think I'm gonna wear this for dinner today, and then maybe one of these pants. They're really cute. All right, so this is the first outfit. Cute. These are kind of like fancy sweatpants. Yeah, they're a little bit soft on the inside. I definitely wear these for work just because they're a little bit fancier than just like a sweatpant, but they're still like pretty comfortable and casual. And I also think I got this in like a long leg. So because I'm long, I have long limbs. So these are a little bit hard to see, but they are black. It's kind of sweatpants, but kind of like pleated dress pants-ish. Super duper cute. I love these ones too. As you can see, black, nice pockets, just super comfortable. There's like an elastic waistband, which fits me really nicely. Overall, I am obsessed with these ones too. I love pants. I feel like I wear so many different pairs of pants every week, and it'll be nice to have different options that aren't just like my usual sweatpants that I wear like every single day. But yeah, next one, we'll go for this little package. All right, I remember what this is. Cute little golf skirt. I gotta get into more golf this summer. I love golfing. It's literally mid-January, but I am prepared. Cute. I have this in navy actually, and I wear it like all the time, and I love it. Perfect for golf. Next is this golf skirt. I am obsessed with it. So you can see pocket here. Cute little green color. We love it. Yep. This will be used this summer. Just line it up. Yeah, that feels good. Feels good, super stretchy. I have this one in navy already, so I knew I was gonna love it. It's so cute, so comfortable, so flattering. I like the way that it cuts kind of like a scoop down below. You can't go wrong if you're looking for cute skirts for golf or tennis. Halara is, it's it. You know what I mean? And this comes in so many different colors too. I couldn't even decide. I don't know what made me choose this color, but I was kind of going for one that I maybe wouldn't usually pick. But no, I love it. I love it. Next is, all right. Love these. These are so cute. Let me see. Are these long? But I have these in like a brown color, and I love them. They're so cute. They're so like business casual but classy. Love gray color. Okay, next ones. Ooh, I love these. They're so comfortable. They're so stretchy, and I like how you can dress them up. They have a little belt loop here, so you can wear them for work and look like you can look like you're going to the office, you know. And I got these in the longer leg, the tall, and they fit me perfect. I love the color. I love the gray. There aren't real pockets back here, but that's okay. These fit me so nice. I have them in brown too, so I knew that I was gonna love them already. I feel like this and this is perfect. This combination, a little black and gray moment. I love it. I have nothing bad to say about these. They're so comfortable. If you have an office job, these are like perfect. I feel like they're like the male version of like the Lululemon ABC pants, where it's like they're stretchy and comfy, but they look like dress pants, you know? Cute. I love these. Amazing. I don't even work in an office, but you know, I like to get fancy sometimes. I like to get fancy. Okay, this one is kind of an impulse buy. I don't know how much I'm gonna wear it, but I kind of am obsessed with it. It's like fuzzy Sherpa overalls. Cute. It's giving like pregnancy, but I'm not pregnant. Cute. I love this. This is so cute. I feel like if I go out to the lake in the winter, this is so cute and cozy to be in. I love it. I will wear that. I will wear that. Oh my god. Okay. I'm obsessed with this. This is so cute. It's kind of outrageous, but I love it. It is like a full-on Sherpa one-piece like overall thing. I love it. It has little cute buttons here. You can make it smaller or longer depending on how tall you are. This is so cute, and it has a little pocket here. I'm personally a big fan of overalls, so this right here, this is the money. This is the money piece. I love these. And there's a little pocket back here too. Oh my god. If you're looking for something comfy and kind of different and cute, this is it. This right here, Sherpa overalls. Never thought I'd say that. So cute. Oh, so soft. I have a jacket in this color, or in this like color and texture. Should go put it on. Just be a full-on Sherpa queen. Oh yes. Some more pants. They're kind of like army green, a little bit fancy, like a little bit stretchy pants. Cute. Another kind of like, they're dressy. Like I would wear these out for like a nice dinner, you know? Or I could wear them for work. Either one. I love this color. I think it's super cute. A very like dark green. I love this. I don't have any pants like this. It's not too thick. It's kind of like a waffle material. It's, yeah, it's super cute. I feel like I could wear these at work too, because they're almost sporty, but they can be not sporty. You know what I mean? I feel like I might wear these to dinner tonight. They're cute. I feel like they're classy, and they can go with like a black boot. I feel like that's what I'm gonna go for. Yeah, again, I'll link everything down below. You can use my discount code, and yeah. And last but not least, we got this green package. Oh yeah, these are the jeans. We shall see what these look like. Ooh, okay. All right, they have like a bottom cuff thing going on. All right, we'll try them on. They look like they're gonna fit. Sometimes jeans for me they're tough. I just like don't fit jeans, but we'll see. These are kind of stretchy, so that's good. All right, so I thought we'd try on the jeans. I feel like they're super stretchy. If I was one size lower, they would fit me perfect, just because I feel like they're bunching here a little bit. But I do like how comfortable they are, and I feel like these are really like summery and cute. They're almost like a capri kind of. So there's like a big flap at the bottom, which is kind of cute. It's different. Again, super comfortable. All the pockets are real, which I can appreciate. And I feel like these are really good for people who have larger thighs and smaller waists. This fits me really, really well. For this type of jean, they had a couple different color like washes, but I really liked this color. I tend to go for more lighter jeans, and these are perfect. I like the wash of these. Again, super, super comfortable. I think these are really cute. If you're looking for a really stretchy jean, these are it. And I like the little flap. I think it's really cute. It's like a cute little touch. I don't have many jeans like that, so it's cute. Overall, good. I feel like it doesn't bunch too much when I squat down, which is nice, which is kind of a good indicator of jeans. And yeah, here's the butt. Real pockets, super stretchy. Yeah, overall, I actually really like these. These are probably my favorite jeans I've had from Halara. Other ones were more like a jegging, where these feel like actual jeans. They're not too thick too, so you don't feel like you're like stiff, which is really nice. These will be really good to go out to eat in, because I feel like you're not gonna like have to unbutton the top button, you know what I mean? We've all been there. So these are, yeah, perfect. All right, that concludes this try on haul for Halara. Like I said, I've done this brand a couple times and I'm always super impressed by the quality, super impressed by the prices. Love that. And I feel like they always have really, really good sales. So keep an eye out for that. Everything I got, I'm obsessed with. I could see myself wearing them in my real life, real everyday life. Super comfortable, really good quality, just super versatile. Don't forget to use my discount code and subscribe to me on Instagram. No, not on Instagram, but obviously on Instagram. But subscribe to me on YouTube. That's where we are. So that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.